Hello kids, today we will learn action verbs. Action verbs are words that describe actions that can be physical or mental. So basically ऐसे कार्यों को जो हम शारीरिक या मानसिक स्तर पर करते हैं उन्हें action verb कहते हैं. For example, crawling, babies are crawling. Walking, he is walking. Dancing, the girls are dancing. Singing, the boys are singing. Jumping, the boys are jumping. Running, he is running. Speaking, babies are speaking. Listening, baby is listening music. Catching, children are catching the ball. Digging, he is digging a soil. Reading, he is reading a book. Coloring, he is coloring. Cutting, she is cutting the paper. Writing, the girls are writing. Painting, they are painting. Brushing, he is brushing his teeth. Bathing, she is bathing. Combing, she is combing. Mopping, he is mopping the floor. Cooking, she is cooking a food. Cleaning, she is cleaning utensils and floor. Eating, she is eating food. Hopping, he is hopping. Polishing, he is polishing his shoe. Skating, they are skating. Lifting, they are lifting a weight. Riding, he is riding a bicycle. Yawning, they are yawning. Knitting, she is knitting a sweater. Drinking, she is drinking a water. Biting, she is biting snacks. Sharing, they are sharing their food. Thanks for watching.